Hello everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz, and we're back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Today we're going to be highlighting this 2023 Mercedes-Benz AMG C43. This vehicle is for sale. Today we're just going to be highlighting some of the exterior and interior features. If you're interested in learning more about the vehicle, if you have any questions or anything that we don't cover here today, or if you want to set up a test drive, we'd love to chat with you. Just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So, once again, this is an AMG model, so you're going to find a lot of AMG specific features as well as badging throughout the vehicle. You have blind spot assist. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look inside. First thing you'll notice, this red accent stitching throughout the vehicle just gives it a really nice kind of sporty appearance. You also see AMG styling on your door there. We also have the AMG flat bottom steering wheel, the AMG badging, as well as on your seats here. And in addition to that red accent stitching, you also have these red seat belts, which once again just gives it kind of a nice sporty appearance. So we do have heated power memory seats, both driver and passenger. We've got Burmester sound system speakers throughout the vehicle as well. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Alright, mileage in this vehicle currently at 12,381. We do have a push button ignition. And you'll also notice the accent trim here across your dash, center console, and whatnot. Very sharp. Alright, let's take a look at our steering wheel here next. So again, AMG styled steering wheel, so it's got your flat bottom here, it's got the AMG engraving there. And I'll talk first about kind of the standard features that you'll see in a lot of the newer Mercedes models. So first off, on this right side, you've got your home button, little touchpad, and a back button there. And that's how you can control your touchscreen display. It is a touchscreen, so of course you can control it using the screen itself. But it's kind of nice to have that option to keep your hands on the steering wheel there. Below that, you've got various Bluetooth, volume controls, and telephone settings there to accept or decline a call and whatnot. And over on this left side, we've got our cruise control options here, and then a similar interface with a home button, touchpad, and back button. And when I hit home here, that will change your driver interface here. So some very AMG specific ones, such as the track pace. So you can see a lot of interesting features there, like how fast to 60 miles per hour, for example, and whatnot. Super Sport, just very, very sporty AMG designs there, as well as the classic ones. Cool. So just a few different options there. You also have paddle shifters here, the kind of larger and silver AMG styled ones. Got those on either side here. Behind that, you've got your turn signal and wiper controls. Over on this other side, we've got our shifter here. So again, very standard to other Mercedes-Benz. You flip up for reverse, which then activates your backup camera. We'll talk more about backup cameras in just a sec. Down for drive, and then push in for park. And then unique to AMG styled steering wheels like this is you got these additional buttons and dials here, so you can actually change what these do. You'll see I can press on the button, you can turn on and off the automatic ignition shut off. You can switch between different traction modes and whatnot. This one here is your exhaust, so it's currently on balance, but then when I press this, now it's on powerful, which you'll see that actually changed over here on our display as well. So these features are all within your display also, but it's nice to keep everything right here on the steering wheel if you'd like. So then yeah, then you can easily switch between different modes, different traction controls, all the things. Then over on this one, it's more of a dial, so then you just rotate that and you can easily switch between the different performance modes. So whether you want to do, you know, a slippery, which is probably a little helpful here in Minnesota during the winters. Individual is fully customizable, so this is just like your memory seats. You can set this up just however you like it, and it'll be like that when you get in and out of the vehicle. Comfort, Sport, and then Sport Plus. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about our backup camera. So just flip it into reverse. Once again, that activates it there. You got a ton of different cameras to work with here. They're all super helpful, super high resolution too. So you can see this nice overhead view as we're here on the turntable here at the dealership. We've got our backup camera here. We've got left, or should I say driver and passenger side cameras, which you can also use the touchscreen and fully rotate around. So now you can see our show floor here. Once again, it's like really high resolution. You can zoom out. So you can see we had a nice little catering lunch over there. Pretty cool. And even if I wanted to zoom in, I mean, I theoretically could see like some license plates out here in the parking lot. It's definitely pretty cool. Definitely a cool system. Very high resolution. There's this auto one. Definitely love that overhead view. You've got parking assist also, so that can actually help park the vehicle for you, which that's something we'd love to show you in person sometime. Definitely really unique. We've got our climate menu here as well. And then your AMG button that brings up all that dynamic select that we were kind of going through earlier, as well as all those other settings. So again, fully accessible through the menu or, you know, the quick access functions here on your steering wheel. Parking assist camera again. Vehicle settings, tons and tons to work with there. That's pretty good on our display for now. Below that, we've got wireless charging pad for a cell phone. You've got cup holders, USB connection, a little center console storage with some additional USB connections. And last but not least, I'll show you, a little tricky to see, but there you go. So this is actually our digital controlled sunroof control. So you just kind of slide backwards and that'll start to open up your sunroof. And then slide forwards, we'll do the opposite and close it. So it'll first close the sunroof, and then if I was to do it again, that would close the sun shade there. Go ahead and turn this off. Let's go ahead and take a look at our rear seats here next. Alright, so once again, you'll notice the red accent stitching. We also have ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle. That's all fully customizable within our menu system. I personally love that red look, just really works with all the other red accents, but hey, you do you. I'll do one more quick peek back up front. Alright, and then we'll come around to the rear of the vehicle next. We've got our AMG, Mercedes-Benz, and C43 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. And then push button to close. So, once again, this is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz AMG C43. If you're interested in learning more or want to set up that test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.